Listen, you already know what time it is, man. It's that boy DELI back out here in another video. As y'all can see what day. Listen, bruh. Okay, so I saw a comment. Somebody left a comment on the channel talking about some Comethazine. If y'all don't know Comethazine, this nigga, he was during the SoundCloud wave. Let's just put it like that. He's a menace from what we knew of him. But this man, Comethazine, dead ass, rebranded himself, and now his name is Frank Kole. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with the rebrand. I did see like a YouTube short or something on Instagram of this man stringing an electric guitar. And I was like, you know how some people got lookalikes, Sean? Like, you know how some people got lookalikes? I'm like, okay, maybe somebody just looked like Comethazine, but they old. I don't know. I don't really know what to expect with this song. It's called Smokestack Lightning. Hopefully it's not on the same vibe that Comethazine be on. Hopefully it's some different shit coming from this nigga Frank Kole. Hopefully we can see some development as an artist from this man with this rebrand. But let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, make sure like, comment, subscribe, new. Feel me? Frank Kole, aka Comethazine, Smokestack Lightning, official music video, 4 minutes, 18 seconds, bro. Hard to be. What the hell? What the fuck? This nigga look like he done got wiser for real. Like he look like he ain't on the bullshit no more. Huh? Where is this going? I like this. I'm liking these vocals right now.
We assess that between early to mid-October, North Korea moved at least 3,000 soldiers.
Who the hell does this nigga think he is? Jimi Hendrix or some shit?
Early to mid-October, North Korea moved at least 3,000 soldiers into eastern Russia. We assess
This nigga think he Jimmy.
Wie zu viel, Bro. Schwer zu erklären.
The fuck?
Aber wann bist du mal wieder hier drüben, Bro?
Ich bin zurück im November.
Sehr gut, ich freue mich. Und
Bro, is this Comethazine for really all bullshit? Ain't no fucking way this nigga, bro.
wie geht's eigentlich dem alten Ego?
Miserabel. Leben ist Russland. Ich denke,
When the fuck did this nigga learn a different language?
er wird im Lande freien sterben.
Real shit, this sounds like something that could be like in a trailer for a movie or some shit, bro. It give that vibe to it. Is this him on the vocals? Am I missing something? That is him. Hey, I was talking about this. Bro, pull up the fucking video. Pull up the video. Pull up the Willow Smith video right now. I was literally saying, I might just show a clip in this shit. Listen to me, chat. I said the cover art looked like some shit you would hang up on the wall in your house. I said it. When did this music video drop? A day ago. A day ago. Pull up the video to the deluxe. The deluxe. I said it. And why am I seeing it in front of my fucking face? Roll the clip. Let's take a look at the cover art real quick. I ain't gonna lie. It's something powerful about this cover art right here. I don't know what exactly it is, but it's something powerful about this shit. 10 out of 10 cover art. Like, this look like some shit, bro. This look like some shit that your parents or somebody will hang on their wall. Like, it look like artwork. Like, am I tripping or am I tripping? We just gonna edit it in. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Keep shining, smokestack house of rising. Hear me cry.
What the fuck is this nigga on, bro? I thought he was gonna rap or something.
Keep shining.
What the hell? Hello? Hello, chat? Hello? We still here, right?
This shit was $30. I wouldn't get one.
Diese Sommerwitzkeit. Diese Sommerwitzkeit.
The fuck? What language is this, y'all? I was thinking either it sounds German, but I don't know.
Diese Sommerwitzkeit.
What is he saying?
Diese Sommerwitzkeit. Diese Sommerwitzkeit.
When the hell did this nigga learn a different language?
She gave me some bullshit. I wrote some
That's what
bullshit.
this nigga been doing this whole time? Since he ain't been dropping learning a different language and shit?
Shit. She gave me some bullshit. I wrote some bullshit. Hey, bro.
I'm so lost.
What was you saying in there?
You gonna say it again? Bro, I'm so
So where are you
confused.
originally from?
Korea.
Which part?
I am from North Korea.
Am I watching a short film or some shit? Like, why is he cutting the pitch black? Okay, chat. I don't know what to think, cause it's like, was that him on the vocals for real? Like, this nigga dead ass sound like Jimi Hendrix on the guitar and shit. Like, what's really going on with this man Comethazine, aka Frank Kole? It's very interesting. It's very interesting. I don't know where the fuck he's going with this shit, but I will say he did need a rebrand, but I didn't think he'll take it this far. Like, he's actually trying to become more than a SoundCloud rapper, more than the nigga that we know as a menace. This is shocking, to say the least, from this man Comethazine to do some shit like this, bruh. But I'm here for the ride. I want to see what he has coming up in the future in terms of more songs. Like, is that him on the, like, is that him with the vocals? Y'all can let me know down below in the comments and shit. But I'm surprised more than anything. I don't really know what to say. This nigga done learned how to play guitar since he done left. This nigga done learned a different language. He done changed up his whole look. It looked like he probably done changed his government name. I don't know, chat. But other than that, y'all can let me know what y'all think about Frank Kole, aka Comethazine. Smokestack Lightning official music video down below in the comments. But other than that, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos coming, some more content coming soon. You already know what time it is, man. Make sure you follow the kick, follow the Twitch, also join the Discord down below in the description. But hey, man, this being your boy, that boy DELI. Oh, gone, man.